Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So someone, which I hope is a subscriber, actually asked me on the comment section if I could do a video on my entire sprinkler system. As you may know, the sprinkler system that I have is a DIY system. I started looking at the prices that these actual professional sprinklers are going, and they're just way too much money for me. So I just decided to just do it myself. I saved thousands of dollars actually by just doing it myself. I mean, it's not anything professional or anything like that, but it works for me. It's kind of like an easy system that I just thought of. I'm like, let me just see if I could do it myself, and it works pretty good. So that's one zone, which is 1,000 square feet. Now this kind of like for Cylon, this is another 1,000 square feet, 2 sprinkler heads, and one of them is right there where I have my finger, and then the other one is right over there. And both of the heads, they cover pretty much this entire side. Now the one that I have here in this corner, it's a 360 head, but I have it right now only covering this section here, but I could actually adjust it to hit this side as well if I wanted to. So how I have this set up pretty much is I have the Orbit b-hyve smart timer, and I have 2 for the back and 1 for the front. The front, there's also 2 zones, but I mainly use just one. The reason I separate all these zones is because my water pressure is not the best. I have about 50 psi, and I think it's like 3 gallons per minute, and I'm well able to run 2 heads at once. So it takes me a long time to actually put down an inch. This is one of the sprinkler heads here for this zone. Like I mentioned, I have 1,000 square feet on this zone. One head here, and then the other one right over there. So this spigot actually connects to the timer, which is over there. And I could have just run a small hose, about like a 10 foot hose or something like that, or 6 or 10 foot hose, and just connect it here. But I didn't want the timer to sit right over here, or I didn't want the timer to be there. It just, I don't know, it just didn't look clean to me. So what I did was I ran the hose all the way to the corner of the house, comes over on this side, and connects to the Orbit b-hyve smart timer. So this is one of 3 that I have. This connects to my Wi-Fi, and the hub is actually inside of my house in the kitchen, feeding off the Wi-Fi signal, and then I could actually control it with my smartphone. So anyways, the water comes in, it opens up whenever it's time to water the grass. Goes through this side. And then this is where it just goes underground here. So it goes all the way down to the first head. Right here. And then it goes all the way straight on the ground. To this head here, which there it is. Now the other zone, which is another 1,000 square feet. This is the last sprinkler head. So there's one here, one by the tree, as I mentioned. So they both feed, they go on the same line, just like the other one that I showed you. So it goes from there all the way straight the other head here. Then it goes straight down. The funny pipe comes out from the ground here, and then it feeds into garden hose. Sorry about the mess here, guys. It's just leaf season is here. There's leaves all over the place. And then that's where it feeds onto the timer. So I have 2 of them there. So now my front, which is another 1,000 square feet, is almost identical. I have another sprinkler timer, which is in the back, and then it feeds, it runs all the way down there to the side. There's one head over there, then it comes right to this corner, and there's another one here, and pretty much the same process as the back. So now I'm going to show you how the app works, and actually it's going to be by zone. So there's zone 1 and then zone number 2. Again, I can't run them at the same time, so I'm just going to run one at a time. So here we got the let's see if I can get better. So there's the b-hyve app. Now is saying front lawn because I moved some of the timers around, but you can name them as you wish. So we're gonna go into water manually. Let's do 1 minute runtime. Hit start. So yeah, so that is my DIY sprinkler system. It's pretty simple, guys. I have the video that I made earlier this spring that I mentioned at the beginning. Go check it out. It's a simple process. You know, it took me a couple days to do, but you could do it by the zone, so you don't really have to do it all at once. So you know, just take your time, do it one zone at a time. And again, this is the sprinkler head that I have on the main, the front. And in the back, so this is the Rainbird 32S SA.